If you are stuck in solving easy Sudokus, but you cannot crack the hard ones, in this video I'm going to show you what made the change for me, because I was solving for like 3 years Sudokus, easy to medium. So stick with me because I'm going to show you in the next seconds. For today I chose to solve the Sudoku hard version from NYT. I took a screenshot and I will show you how I solved it. So like 1 year ago, after years of trying to crack hard Sudokus, I discovered Sudoku Coach interface. I already imported the puzzle here. Let's see how it looks. Okay, first of all, we are going to do as usual, no? Inspect visually if we can fill any candidate. 1, I can't see anything. 2, nothing. 3, nothing obvious. This here. 4, 2 4s in here. 1 1 3, no. 5, nothing. 6, okay, nothing. 7, here this line is busy, this one is busy, and this one's busy, this one's busy, and this one is busy. So here we have a 7. Okay, 2 7s here. Taken. No, nothing else. Number 8. This row, this column, here, no. Okay, number 9. Okay, so now I will show you the difference. When you fill the notes, auto candidates, I won't fill them manually, okay? They have highlighted notes, okay? But for the moment, so this is the difference. If you go on Sudoku New York Times and you fill the notes, okay, you have nothing highlighted. If you press on something, it's just like that. For me, I find it very hard, and I advise you to try. I found this website, Sudoku Coach. If you find something else with highlighted notes, okay, post in the comments what other website with highlight notes are you using. So here we have a naked 2, we fill it. Here we have a 1, we fill it. Here we have a naked single in this block, so we can eliminate all the 4s and 3 in this block. We have 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So 4, 3. And on this row there is no other 4 and 3. And now we have another naked single, and we can eliminate on this column all the 1s and 6. So here we have a 6, here we have a 6, here we also have a 1, sorry, here 1 and 6. Okay, and also in this block we can take out all the 1s and 6, 1 and 6 out. Now we look better. Let's see with naked eye what. So I'll start from block 1. 4 5 9, 4 5 9, 4 5 7 9. Yeah, this is a naked quadruple. It means those 4 candidates can be only in these 4 squares, and in the other squares, in here and here, we can eliminate all the 4, 5, 7 or 9. So here we have a 4, 5 and 9, 4, 5, 9. We are left with an 8, and here we have a 9, we take it out and we are left I will take out. We are left with a 2. I will make this video a bit longer just to explain you for beginner level. Okay, here 1, 7, 8, 9 naked quadruple, but it doesn't help us. Okie dokie, 1, 5, 6, nothing. 3, 4, 9. 4, 3, 9 naked triple, but doesn't help. Okay, I will start with the notes. With the purpose of the video, the highlighted notes. Okay, we have nothing on 1, on 2. On this column, we have only a single 2. So we fill it. It's a hidden, no, sorry. I said it's only 1, 2, and I put 1. See, so here we have a 2. Here we have another naked, another hidden 2, another one, another one, another one. So we are done with number 2. Let's go to 3. Okay, 3. These are locked candidates. They can be only on this row. And because they are in this block, it means on this row we cannot have any other 3. So we can eliminate them. So here we are left with a 9. Let's go back to 3 notes. Okay, nothing, nothing. 3, 5, 6. Yeah, here these 4 are naked quadruple. 3, 5, 6, 9. So in any other place in this block number 8, we cannot have another 3 or 5 or 6 or 9. I will take out 5, 6, 9 from here. 5, 6, 9. We are left with a 4. Easy peasy. Okay, so what else? 5, 6, 9. 3, 6, 7, 9. I'll go on with the notes. 1, 5, 6. Yeah, I'll go on with the notes. I was with number 4. Let's go to 5. 4, 3, 1, 6. No. Number 6. Locked candidates, no help. Locked candidates, so this 6 can be eliminated. Because on this column, the 6 are only here. And they can be only here and nowhere else in this block or this column. Okay, number 7. Locked. Nothing. 8. Number 9. Let's see. I don't see anything. Oh, but now I see something else. We have a naked pair in here, 5, 3. So we can take out the 5 from here and we are left with a 6. Here we can take out the 5 and we are left with a 9. Here we have a 5. I'm just feeling what's obvious. Here on this row we have, as you can see in this square, we have one single hidden 5, so we fill it. Okay, here we have a 7, 1, 8. But first I will fill the 9. 4 and 6 naked pair on this row. So here we have to take out the 6 Here we take out the 6, 3, 7. We have a naked pair on this column, 1 and 8. So here we cannot have a 1 or an 8. We take out the 1 and we are left with a 7. Hidden 7, hidden 7, hidden 7, naked 3, bum bum. This is a 4, this is a 3. I think it solves. And after I finish it in Sudoku Coach interface, I just fill everything nice and easy in the NYT New York Times puzzle. Why I'm doing this? Because for me it was a big jump from beginner level to hard and let's say advanced. So 5 and 8. This is a naked pair. So on this column, on this row, you cannot have in any other cells with candidates a 5 or an 8. Here we have 3, 8. We take out the 8. We are left with a 3. Here we have a 1, 3, 8. So I think is correct. 3. Try it yourself. I will link in the description of the video, or no, in the first comment, I will link the Sudoku Coach website and play with the tool. If you are a Sudoku lover, you have to be curious, no? To discover. This is a system. It means you love systems, like I do. So you will discover yourself how to import. Basically, you screenshot the image from NYT and after that you just fill it in Sudoku Coach. Okay, this is done. And what I will do now, I will split the screen. And here we'll have, okay. So here we have an 8, here we have a 4, here we have a 5, here we have a 1, a 2, and this is obvious, okay. I'll leave also the notes from NYT page. So 9, 2, 8, what's 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4. So as you can see, it took me like 10 minutes. Okay, 5, 7, 3 and 4. You can feel what's obvious. I like to challenge myself, even if I already solved it. I'm not in a race, you know. Here we have a naked pair, but I'll leave it. Okay, so 4, 9, what we have here, 4. Here is a 4, here is a 9. Okay, here, block, we have 9, 1, 7, 2, 3, 9, 1, 7, 2, 3, 6, 8, 1, 9. It's just a matter of seconds. I can't do it faster. Please tell me in the comments what would you like me to explain to make you understand better, because that's the purpose of my videos, to help Sudoku beginners, to make you be able to solve hard and advanced Sudokus. Voila! Okie dokie. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Oh my god. So guys, thank you so much and have a lovely weekend wherever you are. Bye bye.